How to fix no sounds on YouTube on Windows 11. Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. This is Rose and without further ado, let's begin. Method 1. Navigate to the channel icon at bottom right corner of your screen and open it. Here make sure that your sound icon is not muted and then you can easily drag to the highest volume with the help of this slider. Now check whether your issue resolved or not. If not, you need to navigate to the search box at bottom left corner of your screen and type in sndvol.exe. After that, you need to click on the open button at top right corner of your screen. And here, once the volume mixer window is open, you can easily click on the slider to the right side and check the browser's volume is muted or not. If it is muted, you simply need to unmute it and set it to the highest level. Now check whether your issue resolved or not. If not, you need to navigate to the browser. So let's search for the browser, open it and choose any one of your browser and you can easily open YouTube. And here you need to right click on the YouTube site and check whether the site has been muted or not. If it is muted, you need to unmute the site. And with that, you will successfully fix no sound on YouTube on Windows 11. I hope this guide was helpful. If it was, then do like, share, comment, and don't forget to subscribe. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.